So, I think it's about 5 years on from when I did this, from when I uploaded the video anyway, it's probably longer than that. I thought I'd do an update on the putting a floor on my swimming pool video. This is the underneath, so the superstructure is still perfect in as it was. The upgrades I've made since I was pumping the water out, I said last time, but a bit of ingenuity. What I've done here is I've got a pipe. I took the hydrostatic relief valve out. I put a pipe in. I believe it's a 40mm pipe, which is extended to about the level of the underside of the floor, and that levels off the pressure between outside the pool and inside the pool, so it doesn't flood anymore. I mean, there's always a tiny little puddle down there, but I'm happy with that because it keeps the rubber damp. The rubber doesn't dry out. I've got a fan here which is on a timer. It's just an old cheap one I got, that runs about I think it's once every couple of hours for 15 minutes, which just keeps the air circulating, which means the wood is still, the wood seems still absolutely fine. But I don't know if I showed everyone the actual way it's all finished underneath here. So there's, up the end there's a hatch to get in and out on what was the shallow end. And this is up here is where it's triangular. I hope I'm not messing the picture about too much. This is where it's triangular, like an upturned pyramid, so it's more difficult to stand. But this is where I thought I'd have the best view of what's going on. I started checking out. We are currently in the UK. We've had an enormous amount of flooding, and over the past X amount of years, we've had loads and loads of flooding, and this has never flooded. Touch wood. So, and the room itself is still. I'm still use it for different stuff. It's still got my golf driving range. I do fix some bikes up here. There's loads of different stuff I do, and it's much more usable than it was before. I hope that gives everyone an update. Thanks very much for watching.